Alright, so let's get started. In order to make the specs, we're gonna need these rings and pipes. Let's keep them aside for now. I've taken 2 big rings. And I'm gonna join this with this black pipe. Like this. One part goes on that ring, and now the other one goes on this one. Make sure it's perfectly fixed. So we've joined the lenses through the bridge. Now let's make the remaining part of the specs, for which we're gonna use these 2 fluorescent green color pipes. This is a nice bright color, so the specs are gonna look pretty. So we're gonna connect these 2 pipes to either sides of these 2 rings like this. Readjust it, but make sure it's fixed and steady. Let's make the bridge wider. Let's add another pipe to it. The bridge is the portion that rests on the nose while we wear the glasses, while we wear the specs. Now we're gonna add 1 pipe each to the ear rest, like this. The ear rest should be proportional to the specs. Now the specs are bigger. Have a close look. This is our specs. Looks lovely, right? Now we're gonna make another spec. So keep it aside. Let's fold it for now and keep it aside safely. Now let's make another colorful specs. Let's take different color rings. And a pipe to connect the 2 rings. Like this. So that's the bridge. And now the ear rest. We're gonna take red pipes for that. In order to make the ear rest longer, we add another pipe to each side, like this. The second specs is ready too. You can choose your own colors depending on what you like. So our trendy, colorful specs are ready! Yay! Hope you enjoyed the video! Alright, we'll see you in the next one! Bye-bye! Have fun with Fun and Learn! Hello friends! Today we're gonna make a dog! Here are the molds, and we're gonna pick one of them. And here we have different colors of clay. And I'm gonna make a dog! For which I'm gonna use the brown color clay. Let's roll it with the palms and the rolling pin. Like this. And now with the help of the knife, let's cut out this chunk. And roll it some more. The idea is to put the mold on the clay. So it should be spread out enough so that the mold fits on the clay. Let's keep it smooth and vertically. Now place the mold on the clay and press it firmly. So we flatten the clay with the rolling pin. And we place the mold on the clay. We're going to remove the extra clay. Now, since we pressed the mold a little too firmly, so the clay got stuck to the mold, so we have to hold the mold tightly and try to press the clay. We can take the help of a knife to push it down so that the mold comes off the clay. Let's make sure the shape doesn't change. Alright, so we have the clay dog structure here. So we have the structure of the dog here. Now we're gonna make the eyes. For which, I'm gonna take the black clay, a very small chunk. Let's roll it between the fingers and then on the tabletop. And roll it a little more so that it becomes thin. And then cut the chunks out. And then roll it on the tabletop to make the balls. You can remove the extra clay. Now place these tiny balls on the face. Like this. And now we're gonna make the nose. So we take a little chunk of the black clay and roll it between the fingers and on the tabletop. We can press it a little. The nose is gonna be slightly bigger than the eyes. And we place it under the two eyes, like this. And now we're gonna make the whiskers, for which we have taken the white clay, a little chunk, and then we roll it between the fingers and then on the tabletop like this. The whiskers are going to be really thin, so make sure we make it really thin. The trick is to take lesser amount of the clay and keep rolling it like this. Cut out the extra and place the whisker like this. Similarly, we're going to make the other whiskers and put it on the other side like this. We're going to roll some more clay and place it here. And to go to the other side, let's roll some more. And it goes here. Now let's make the mouth. So we're gonna take a small chunk of the black color clay And roll it on the tabletop like this to make it thin. Let's make the shape of the mouth like this. So we're gonna use a knife to make the proper shape of the mouth like this. Like a W shape. And stick it on the face like this. And now I've taken a small chunk of the red clay and we're making a ball out of it by rolling it on the tabletop like this. We can press it a little and then cut out one side like this. And here's the tongue of the dog. It goes right between the mouth, like this. Alright, so our dog is ready and it looks so cute. Yay!